Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to integrate Klaviyo with Wix. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log in to your account. To get started, you'll first need to create a Zapier account, which will allow you to connect Klaviyo with Wix. Once you're logged in, head over to the Zapier dashboard. There, you'll find a button labeled Create. Click on that, then select Zaps to begin setting up your automation. If you have any questions along the way, don't worry. The Copilot feature is available to guide you through the process. Next, choose both Wix and Klaviyo from the list of available options. Be sure to fill in all the required details on the right side of your screen. Now you need to connect Wix to Zapier. Click on the Sign In button. After that, click on the Agree and Add button and your Wix account will be connected. Next, repeat this process to connect your Klaviyo account. Since I've already connected my Klaviyo account in the past, I'll go through the process again. If you haven't connected your Klaviyo account yet, you'll see a Select option. Click on the Select button and you'll need to allow the connection. And you're all set. Your Klaviyo account is now connected to Zapier. Once both accounts are connected, take a moment to configure your settings as needed. When you're satisfied with everything, just click Publish to activate your Zap. And that's it. You're all set to automate your processes. I hope this video clarifies the steps and makes the entire setup easy for you. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.